In this episode of Confluence tutorial, we are going to talk about whiteboards. Whiteboards in Confluence is a built-in collaboration space where teams can brainstorm, sketch ideas, plan projects, and visualize workflows, just like a physical whiteboard. Now, let us understand how to create a whiteboard in Confluence. To create a whiteboard, click on plus create option at the top and then click on whiteboard, and then you'd have the ability to update the existing name or the default name of the whiteboard. Now, let us dive into some of the components of a whiteboard. We have a toolbar at the bottom, we have a cursor that could be used to move objects, and a hand tool for pan and zoom actions. Next, we have sticky notes. Just like physical sticky notes, you can use them to write down your thoughts and move them around your whiteboard to organize ideas. As you can see, we can increase or decrease the size of the sticky note and also move the sticky note around the whiteboard using the cursor. Next, we have a pen tool that is used for freehand drawing on the whiteboard. Next, we have a text tool that is used to create blocks of body text with titles and headings. You can drag and drop the text box on the objects of the whiteboard to write text. Next, we have shapes that are used to build diagrams, mind maps, and flowcharts. You can drag and drop them on the whiteboard and go ahead and add text on these objects. Next, we have lines that are used to create paths between sticky notes, text objects, and shapes. They help you to organize your whiteboard and create a flow of thought on the whiteboard. And next, we have sections. Sections are used to organize ideas, group related content, and structure brainstorming sessions or workshops. Next, we have stamps. Stamps are used to visualize feedback and reactions about how someone feels about a specific idea or piece of content on the board. You can drag and drop a stamp onto the whiteboard, just like the thumbs up stamp that you see here. Next, click on the three dots that you see at the bottom of the page for more tools. First, you see the comments that is used to add comments onto the whiteboard. Again, go back and click on the three dots. Next, you would see options to add files onto the whiteboard and also stickers to the whiteboard. You have a variety of stickers that are available to be added. Next, you have whiteboard import option to import data from other tools onto the whiteboard like Miro or Mural or other PDF pages. Next, you have a timer that is used to keep track of time during collaborative sessions. You can start, stop, pause, and add time to the timer, which is displayed at the right-hand side of the whiteboard. When the timer reaches the last 10 seconds, a sound will play and a confetti will appear. And next, we have a variety of pre-built templates to facilitate different collaborative activities. These templates cover areas like brainstorming, planning, retrospectives, and more.